Hey, come on, kaya, hey!
Ayan, sige.
Francis, come on!
Kaya. Okay lang.
Tasha, move forward! Come on, Tasha! KD! Field! Come on, win the ball back!
Meron ka sa wings, ha?
Hey, wide, Boban! Wide! Francis! Wide! Wide! Tasha! Come on, Tasha, natin the opponent, Tasha! Come on, Jaden! Come on, Jaden! KD, win the ball back, KD! Come on, Jaden! Boban, come on! Go, work, come on! Forward, Why? Come on! Come on, KD, Jaden! Yes, tayo, David! Tayo and David! KD! Ay, ako!
Diretso mo!
Yes! Hey, tayo and David! Go!
May chat si Yanni.
Hey! KD! You're at ano, midfield! Help me that to... Help them!
Yes, Kalista! Yes, good press!
Come on, KD! Good job, Boban! David! I said forward, David! Come on, David! Pin back! KD!
Stepping back.
Rock! Your ball, right way. KD!
Dito ka pala kayo. Ito kayo. Midfield. Come on.
KD, stop!
Other side. Yan, dyan ka sa gitna.
Ay na!
Francis! Ay na, Alon!
Stand up, Jaden! Stand up!
Ali, go!
Fake! Boban, wide! Francis!
Stay up.
Boban and Francis, wide!
Stay up!
Hey, Tasha, wait, Tasha! Tasha, wait! Wait for them, Tasha! Don't rush!
Oy, tara, tingin na tayo, oy!
Iliam! Midfield!
Yes, press!
Yes.
Touch!
Come on, hey!
Hey! Here. No. Nathan, no. Ay, pwede na yung hagis eh. No, Nathan.
Tayo, don't go ka lang! Boban! Approach! Ay, you're not focused, ha? Tayo, out! Tayo!
Nat, find Kali. Stay up. Masyado ka nakababa. Gali, up. Up lang.
Iliam!
Cover mo yung gitna, Nat. No, Nate.
Hey! Sebastian! Enzo! Up front! Hey, Sebastian, don't go there! Hey, Sebastian!
Short, big.
Enzo!
No.
Boban, approach! Hey, you two, just stay there! You two! Hey! Sebastian and Enzo! Sebastian and Enzo!
Sayang, yo.
Enzo, I said!
Sorry, Nat.
Easy.
Kali, you good? For the ball. Okay, Kali.
Francis. Focus. Boban. Boban. Come on, Jaden. Approach.
Nice pass, sir. Kali, Kali.
Tasha, wait, Tasha, wait. Francis, wide. Boban. Hey, David. Midfield.
Up lang, Alisa, up lang.
Right, hey.
Tiyaw, tiyaw,
Tasha,
Alisa.
kick it, Tasha. Up front, up front.
No, Alisa.
Good try. Come on, David. Come on, David. Good. Pick it up. Okay, David.
Cut, cut.
Midfield. Come on, Tasha.
Good try.
Good. Hey, Boban, get the ball, Boban.
Ay, Alisa.
Come on, Francis. Good.
Kulitan, kulitan.
Come on, Sebastian. Enzo, work. Enzo, work. Good job, Tasha. Lapit na. Alam mo, hey, Enzo and Sebastian, work. Move around, move.
Wala, pasa. Ay, Alisa. Pasa, Alisa.
Good job, Francis. Come on. Sebastian, Enzo, move around. Good job, Tasha. Hey, you two. Press number 19. Enzo. Press number 11. Good job, Francis. Gio, go, Gio. Come on, Enzo.
Hey, medyo pa yung striker natin naging open.
Come on, Francis. Win the ball back, Francis. Hey, move around. I said up front. Where is up front? You two. Oban. David. Midfield. Tasha, give it to Jaden.
Sige, Kalisa.
Come on, Francis.
Hindi kami. Hey, wait.
David. Come on, Zab. Hey, what are you doing? You two. I said work. Come on, Enzo, Sebastian. Come on, Jaden. Lay on, Jaden. Dribble, KD, forward. Come on, KD. Come on, Sebastian. Help, Sebastian. Hey, work. You two, press it. Sebastian, press it. Enzo! I say Enzo naman. I said press it, Enzo. Wait, Tasha, wait. Boban, move. Francis, why? Boban. Francis. Tasha, backward. Backward pa. Backward. Then kick as hard as you can. Good. Come on, KD. Idiom. Wait. Enzo.
Hey, natin. George, quick. Take it, not take that. Engine lang.
Again, Tasha. Hey, Francis! Francis and Boban! Tasha, backward pa. KD, midfield. I said wait. Good one, Tasha. Come on, Sebastian!
Easy, Pepe.
Go, William. Work, William. Good try, Tasha. Go, water.
Lapit.
Okay na. Come on, William. Come on, William. Come on, Tasha. Tasha, relax. Relax, Tasha. William. KD. Midfield. William, striker. Hey, William, go up front. Now, Tasha.
Coach, kulang tayo sa out. Ano yung okay na?
Okay na po.
Sobra yung kalaban. Sobra yung kalaban.
Sobra, goal.
Yeah, they have the 8.
Hey, the ball coming at you.
Sobrang pala sila. Alam mo lang.
Go, KD, go on.
Go! Alon! Later pa, Alon! Pasali kayo niyo!
KD, I said, you're a midfielder, KD. Come on, Tasha. Tasha, relax. Ilya and Tayo, up front.
Magkano ka mga kulat yung...
KD, I said midfield, KD. Now, Tasha. Good one, Tasha. Come on, Ilya. I said, work tayo, ha.
Good pass! Yo! There, offensive chance. Ano pa? Go, one!
Boban, you throw in. Hey, Boban, you throw in.
there! Net, angat!
Boban, up front. Ay, Boban. KD! KD! Ilya! KD, come on!
Quick!
KD!
Faster! Nice one!
Ball in the middle!
Ano? Net! Rest for a while!
Hey, come on! Boban, best number! Come on, Boban, number 17!
Guys, pasensya na po. Yung ibang parents, doon lang po talaga sa side. Sorry, susunod lang po sa organizer.
Hey, Enzo! Come on! Come on, Tasha! Sebastian, help Sebastian! Go, Enzo! Come on, Enzo! Come on!
Oh!
Ay, actually,
Ayun, stop!
sir, pasensya po. Okay lang naman.
Sorry.
Iwasan na lang po natin nandito.
No, open yung...
Saga. Yes.
Yan po, ganyan po pala sa kaya po wala po, to be honest po.
Kasi yung mga kalat na lang po natin.
Sorry, sir. Kailangan mo siya.
It's okay.
Ha? Ay, sir ba to? Pwede ko i-move or?
No, it's okay there.
Ha?
That's fine. It's okay.
Ah! Okay, alam niya na dito. Ah, sige.
Tayo! Tayo!
I said earlier, look at the ball, look inside foot. Look water, drink.
Ay, nakali! Nakali!
Nice. Oh, good. AD, help AD.
Yeah, good job. Ulo.
Come on, KD.
Switch mo.
Basta here!
Nice!
Woo!
Cross, 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 cross. Ay, corner! Jump po! Ay, dito ba? Jump po ba? Jump, jump, jump.
Hey. Pick a player. Come on, pick a player.
No!
Bobat. Ay, Bobat, come on.
Doon ka na-hit.
Ay, angkol, angkol. Jump po, quick na! Wait, wait.
Out, KD. Kayo, inside. KD, out.
Wait na, wait na, jump po.
Pagawa ka na. Pagawa ka na.
Wait lang.
Alis na! Alis na! One minute. Thank you. Billy. Good job, alis na. Ayan.
Liam. Ready.
Other side. Ay, mali. Dig na water, dig na water. Ayun na. Yes!
Raiden.
Nice goal! Nice, Joseph! Go!
Hey, position.
Ay, ay, ay. Pare, wait, pare.
Banat.
Pointers na. Hindi, may quarter finals. Lahat daw pasok. Short lang, ayun na. Alon! Binigay na pwede mag-short. Wala tao sa gitna.